Hello. I just wanted to make a quick video today to show off this project for my portfolio. It's a web app built using React as the front end, and then for the server code, I'm using Flask for Python, just a Python library. And then for the database, I'm using SQLite, um, and actually written through SQL Alchemy. So I'm also using Python kind of, but to create a SQLite database and manage a SQLite database. But yeah, anyway, most of this video is going to be about the user side of things. I'll make another video that goes more in depth about the tech stack and all the code and everything. But yeah, without further ado, here is my app, SoundGalore. So I already entered my username and password. I'm just going to hit sign in. So here is the user feed. It's going to play some.
Imagine you were floating on a calm, peaceful sea of treats. Tiny biscuits drift. Hey, I'm a dog, and here are my top 5 favorite human foods. Number 5, dogs are already cute, loyal, somehow always know where you're trying to walk.
So yeah, you can see a little bit of the functionality there. Once I arrived on the page, I didn't have to hit anything. It started auto playing the first post, and then as I scroll down through the page, it starts playing different posts. So that's kind of the design of it. I want it to be relatively hands off. You don't want to be fumbling around with a lot of turning buttons off and on. You don't want to have a video playing and then you scroll way down and then it's stuck playing up at the top of the screen. Or off the screen already. So to avoid that, we just have it play the one that's in focus. We also have the ability to like posts and leave comments. So I unliked that post, but now I'm going to like it again. So see, now there's one like on that. You can also leave a comment. So if I go to write a comment, wow, love this post. I'm going to hit post comment, and then it's going to see or it's going to show us all the other comments. You can also like comments. So you can go ahead and like that comment. Oh, like that comment right there. You can close that. We can go to see comments and open up this comment card again. Yeah. You also have your own user profile. So if I go to my profile.
Not sure what to post on SoundGalore? The answer is...
Sorry, it's playing my post that I posted. The autoplay, every time you load a profile or you load the feed, it starts autoplaying the first post. So that's what was happening there. So you see up at top, it says my username, and I have my profile picture. One thing that's interesting that I decided to put in, so if I go to my comments, I was trying to figure out like how do you delete a comment, and I decided like it'd be nice if you can see all of the comments that you posted in one place and delete them there, because I noticed a lot of social media platforms you have to like hunt for the video that you commented on and then like delete it there. Yeah, so you have these. So it's just saying you commented on 5 facts about dogs by Rolling River. Wow, I love this post. Say, I'm embarrassed by that comment now. I just can't believe I said that. Delete this comment. And I need to refresh the page. Yep, and then it asks for him to delete the comment, and then it deleted the comment. Yeah, so we can also search for users. So if I want to find users that I've heard of, I want to follow them. So we got, just follow this one from here. Or if you want to go to a different one, we can follow and unfollow from the actual profile itself. That's playing that post. So yeah, that's kind of what it looks like when the user is logged in. So now I'm going to show you creating an account. For the authentication on this site, I'm using WorkZoog. It basically generates like my password hashes, manages sessions, things like that. So yeah, we can create a username, say like, I don't know, Ducky Duck. Upload a profile picture. You can take a picture for this. Do duck face maybe. Then we need an email address. So I'm just going to use like a temporary email address. So we go to here. Yeah. So this says 0UWW4 at weblibrary.net. Then we can enter a password. Just going to use a fairly simple one that still meets all of the requirements that we created. The requirements that I created when building the app, not ones that you have to set yourself. Yep, so now it says account created. Please check your email to verify your account. I'm going to refresh this email box. Looks like we do have an email. I'm going to copy this link and visit it. So yeah, there it says email verified. Your email has been verified. You can now log on. There's a go to login. Yeah, could continue using the app from our computer, but I'm going to keep showing you on my phone. Then yeah, we can hit, oh wait, yeah, we can go back to login. What did I call it? Ducky. Enter this password. So now it says there's no post to show yet because we haven't followed anyone. So now I can go search users, follow someone. So yeah, here's one account. Follow that. Can look at the posts on here.
Cute, loyal. Somehow always know
it's the one that was posting the dog facts. And then I can also make my own post. So my kind of overall goal, and I'm kind of glad that I got it, is that you should be able to make a post entirely from your phone. Luckily, I have succeeded in doing that. It was difficult at first because I was building it on my desktop and I was kind of going for like a browse for file kind of thing. But what I actually need to do is interact with the iPhone's API and get it to supply a picture from the user's phone. So for upload image, we can either take one from the photo library like that, or once again we can take a selfie. Yeah, that was all right, selfie. We can record some audio, so it's going to ask permission to use my microphone. I'm going to say yes. This is an example post of something that you could post. Really good examples could be like a top 5 list of your favorite things, things like that. So now we've got audio, we've got the image. This is a post that I made. Smiley face. Hope you enjoy. We submit. It says the post was uploaded successfully. So we go back to my feed. I'm still seeing the post from the person that I followed. And then I can also go back to my own profile.
This is an example post of something that you could post.
And
really good.
And there's my post right there. Yeah. So that's basically what the app looks like from the user side. I'll probably make another video in the next couple days showing off like the tech side of it and kind of like how I went about thinking about this as a programmer, and just kind of just how the overall stack and the overall system works. Yeah, stay tuned.